It's your girl Diamond, D to the Y to the M to the O to the N to the D. Y'all already know. If you don't know, make sure you tune in to all the videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Y'all, today I have my little crew with me. Tomorrow is school, and I have my first. Yes.
Good job being a video.
Say hey. Hey, aunties and uncles. King Kamara wants to say hey, y'all. I got my first apartment tour today, y'all. I'm driving, so I'm about to put this camera up, and I will get with y'all and show y'all the first apartment tour for today. Like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure y'all tune in. Make sure y'all follow your girl on all social medias and let me know what y'all think. Okay, you guys, so we done made it to the first downtown Dallas apartment complex or whatever, and we're about to go take a look at it and see what it do. Let me know in the comments. Oh yeah, y'all, and I got my natural hair out. I don't want to take the camera up too much because I don't want to show y'all my location, but yeah, I got my natural hair, y'all. Look. Okay, let me go because my tour is it started at 11:30. So y'all, this is the club room, the clubhouse. The floor plan my daughter looking at. Ready with you. Okay. This is the fitness center. It's cute.
Across the street over here, you'll see the yoga studio over the same hours, that makes 6 to 10 right here.
I thought it was it's a fitness center across the there too. Oh, it's a yoga.
Yoga studio.
Oh, cool. Okay, good.
And then our mailboxes are behind the studio as well.
It's the gym.
That's the studio area. If you want to do work from home, business phone calls and such, we have this area for you there. And then we have this.
Okay, cool. This is the business center. It's a little hallway. Oh, this is cute. These are apartments?
Yes.
Oh, okay. These are cute.
This is actually our storefront property leasing area, so if you want to do a storefront property a little closer to home, we offer these units for that.
This a barbershop?
Yes.
Wait, that's a deal breaker for me. So it's just like I need 3-bedroom. I wanted a house, but at the same time, it's just like I need more space because I know my son, he needs a room. I need a room, but I need a space to put like my desk, my products. Good. That's a blessing. This is nice. Yes, very much spacious. Yeah, this is cute. I like how this is. It seems so quiet. The hallways don't stink, y'all. So, okay. Oh, we got an island in the middle of the kitchen. I like the island. I like that, y'all. I like the island. I like these light fixtures. You said it has washer and dryer?
Yes.
I like the double door fridge. Under light.
Yes.
Full size washer and dryer.
This one's bigger.
It's a coat closet.
Yes. Or yes. The bathroom.
Oh. Nice, 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 nice. You okay? Nice size bedroom, y'all. Look at those windows. It's nice. Carpet is soft, y'all. I like that. Downtown views. I like that, y'all. That's cute. Oh, Jesus, that bathroom. This must be the master. Look at the closet. Goes all the way up, around. Okay. This sink is long. Look at that mirror, yo. That's a mirror for days. Don't even need a vanity. Okay. Oh, and it has a shower. Look at this tub, yo. It's all the way down there. Need cleaning, but it's huge. Can you have a door back there?
Yes.
Valet trash? Okay, great. Monday through Thursday? Great. Sunday, Monday through Sunday. Valet trash, y'all. This is the second room. This is, look at these ceilings, y'all. Look at these vaulted ceilings. And it also has a bathroom right there. Let's see this view. The view is nice. Okay. Uh-oh. I done closed the back, y'all. I like these, and they very, very affordable. Got a big tub in this restaurant. Yeah, nice walk-in closet. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you have your own. Oh, wow. You have your own space out here.
Yeah, that's why I told him I'll put it on first.
Yeah, this is nice. Then you had a little downtown views over there. It's nice.
That's the Omni.
Yeah, I like this. Hey besties, so I realized that I did not end the video. I didn't made it to the house. It's nighttime. I just got the shower, and I was saying that basically in God's will, that, you know, is my place, not that particular apartment, but the one that I am in love with all the windows. You girls know that I am in love with natural lighting. So they have one floor plan, they have one available, and they have so many windows all around the living room and the dining room area. So that's the one I'm gonna go with, and it won't be ready until the end of this month. But like I said, in God's will, I'm putting everything in God's hand, because only He has the last word or whatever. And I'm just so thankful. I'm so blessed, and I'm so grateful that I get to still wake up every morning and basically do apartment tours, be with my children, be with my grandson. I'm thankful that I'm here. Y'all, I'm thankful that I'm still able to work, walk, talk, and everything, because sometimes I suffer with anxiety, especially with these Texas freeways. Oh my God, y'all, it is so much, so it gives me anxiety. But, you know, back to the place, like I said before, that place, for the location, I love it. You know, it's downtown, but it's on a, I can't say if it's the outskirts, because I asked the man and he said it's downtown Dallas or whatever. As y'all saw in the video, that you get the downtown views, but they like a mile away. But that's okay, y'all, and I am found that it is still not even a mile. It's probably like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, probably 3 minutes, because soon we left the apartment complex, we just went to the light and we was already in downtown Dallas or whatever, next to my son's school or whatever. So yeah, I'm just blessed, y'all. I'm thankful, and I just want to give all glory to God, and I put it in God's hand, because like I said again, He is the only one that have the last say so or whatever. Because apartments been gypping people lately, but even good credit, you know, all the other stuff, it's just something like I went to a apartment complex. They was like, "Oh, you have American Express on your credit." I'm just like, okay, what they got to do with anything? Like, but hey, the economy has changed. Everything has changed. So yeah, I am still. I'm that's it. Like that's all the one I want to look at. Cause all the other ones I had looked at, I love, 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 love. But I'm going with a particular price range because of the fact of my business. I have, Lord knows, I have to get back doing business. Cause working, y'all, and me almost passing out the other day. That ain't it. That ain't it, sis. So with that being said, y'all, leave a comment, leave all your prayers. Yeah, and I will get back with y'all on another video tomorrow. My son go to school, so I'm so happy. But guys, y'all besties, he gonna be going to school late because today I was like really busy and I could not get his haircut. So my baby gonna be going to school late, or I should just let him go on a Friday. I don't know, but it's kind of crazy to me because school started tomorrow on a Thursday. Lord, okay, I'm just super excited. That's all that matters. He gonna be in school. That's all that matters, and everybody is gonna be at peace. And back to business. We've been in Dallas for going on 2 weeks now, and yeah. So y'all, I'm about to take my ASS to sleep. I'm super duper tired, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell and make sure that y'all get all the videos when y'all heard it ring a ding 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 on your For You page or whatever. And make sure you share to your mom, your sister, uncle, cousin, and your granny, and your best friend. Tell her to watch Diamond Rich Jackson. And yeah, it's on for now, and especially when I move, because I know y'all gonna want to see the unfurnished, and then I know y'all gonna want to see the furnished, and then I know y'all want to go see the unboxing, then I know y'all want to go see the grocery shopping, and then I know y'all want to go. Then I know y'all gonna want to see the shopping house, the furniture house. I know y'all gonna want to see it. So tune in. Bye.